Hi everybody, welcome back to Tan Predicts, and this is yet another reading. I'm going to turn it a bit because the light is coming, and I'm continuing with the alphabet. So the third set is D, W, C, H, Z, and X. So if your name begins with any of these alphabets, this reading is for you. I know the Z and X are very unusual. So guys, anyway, I had to take all the 26 alphabets and give you messages. You never know. Somebody's name might be beginning from these alphabets. So let's begin your reading. And this is for D, W, C, H, Z and X. So these messages are for you. I'm using my tarot cards. I'm using 3-4 different decks, and I'm using channel messages, whatever I can get. I'm going to give you alphabets that are important for you, also colors and crystals or whatever charms that are important for you, or will make a difference in your life or will make your life better. This is a timeless reading, guys. Whenever you hear it is the time you were meant to hear this reading. And please remember, in the end, whatever you do, whatever decision, important decision, small decision, big decision you make, do it with your free will. We are here to guide you. All the tarot readers or all the psychic readers are here to guide you, put you on the right path. We can validate the decisions you're making or tell you what is better, what is coming or is not coming for you. So guys, remember that always, and always remember, universe has your back. Okay, and if you send out positive energies into the universe, you will receive positive energies back. If you're surrounded by negative people, negative thoughts in your head, in your heart, you will always think negative, and you will attract negative things in your life. So guys, just remain positive always. That's what I always say. So let's see, what are the messages for you? What are the channel messages? What do the spirit guides want you to know? I'm just shuffling, and I'll stop when I think the time is right. You can see me shuffling. I shuffle fast. Activation. I didn't take this card. I did stop at this card, and I wanted to go on, but this suddenly was like, no, you have to take this card. So activation, putting your plans into activation, guys. This is especially for the alphabets I have taken in the beginning, the ones that I've called out. So it needs some kind of an activation. I get a very air sign, I get a very water sign, and I get a fire sign also, but I don't get too much of a fire sign. But I think this is more for a air sign, or I also get water sign. And do activate your plans. Activation means that you need to stop lazing around, stop just thinking about your plans. You've got to put them into action, and unless you put them into action, nothing is going to come out of it. Yes, we plan a lot of things in our head, but it can't just sit pretty there. That's what I always say, in our head, and just keep dreaming about it. So you have to see what action is required for that certain plan that you are making. Or it could also be something in the relationship, guys, that you like someone and you need to activate the whole relationship, or you need to take it to the other level, or be more serious, or be more committed, or whatever you think is needed in that situation at that time. So guys, this is the time to put your plans into motion, into action. There should be movement right now, not stillness in your life. And this is the right time. Whenever you're listening to this reading, guys, if you were planning to do something, or you have the plans in your head and you want to go ahead, I think this card says go ahead. Everything is fine, and the path you've chosen is right. So just like this, I'm just going to bring it closer. You can see the kind of wind that's going and making, it's like, making leaves rustle. Or how when it's very windy and the leaves are picked, and they form a the little tornado, up, they lift it up, when the wind is there, it's very windy. So guys, you need to lift your your projects, or whatever you need to do, take the things to the next level. And this card is all about movement, guys. So this message is for you. This is a special message, and this is for you. And just it's okay to put plans on paper or whatever, but it's time to put things into action. Action, I would say, is the main word here, and I'm getting it again and again, guys. Let's see, what are the other messages? Work with people. Synergy is important for you, guys. I also get you have a lot of plants around your house, and birds do come and feed there. I also get that you have a bird feeder somewhere. You put water for birds. I don't know why I'm getting this message for you guys, especially for people whose name begins with all these alphabets that I'd taken before, the alphabets that I'd said. And you like green color. Green is good for you. And you also like watching nature. You like listening to the bird sound. And I also get that you stay in a place, next to your window there's a nest or something, a bird has built its nest and is going to lay eggs there or has laid eggs there, and you keep watching that every day. I don't know, I'm getting a big big channel message, guys. This is especially for a few of you or some of you, like I always say, that you do have a nest next to your windowsill or whatever, next to your window, or wherever there's a nest, and you can hear the birds chirping, and that's the sound you love. I also get a lot of you, or a few of you, or one of you, you get up very early in the morning and you enjoy these sounds, or you record them, or something to do with that. Or probably you meditate with such nature's sound that you listen to, the bird sounds in the morning. Or if you live closer to any kind of a brook or a stream, and you love hearing these sounds. And I get a lot of nature in this reading. I don't know why. Probably you love nature and you love going out, and yeah, you love the sounds of leaves also, and probably the water. I also feel that you have a little fountain in your house, like a mini version or something, or you like fountains. A lot of you who believe in alternate healing or have taken up alternate healing, you learning alternate healing, or you have applied alternate healing into your life, also feel that gift has been passed on. And I also feel that you are reading about some kind of healing, something mystical you're reading, or that suddenly your interest in that has been woken up, or you feel that you were made to heal people, or you've been doing your prayers, or you are a priest. Anybody who's been listening to this, you've been performing a lot of prayers, or when the family is gathered and there are celebrations, you do some kind of ceremonies, or you do certain prayers, and your family knows that you are the person to go to. When there are celebrations or a wedding, and you do chants and you do mantras. I get a lot of that in this reading. Not connected to the earth right now. I think you love nature, but there is something that's stopping you from going out not well, or something. Maybe this is the COVID situation. Uh, I also feel that you want to heal the earth in a lot of ways, and probably you're not getting the time or the ideas. But sometimes we really have this want that we want to do this, we want to help the needy, we want to heal people, but we can't really figure out that what should I do that I can help somebody. The want is there, the feeling is there, but I think you've not been able to reach out to the right people, or to understand, or you don't understand that how do I heal these people. There is something really connected to the earth, and I feel you want to heal Mother Earth in some way, by recycling, or some kind of thing, not using paper much, or that's got into your head that I don't want to use water much, I want to save water, I want to save the earth from pollution. So I think a lot of you are doing this, that I want to save Mother Earth. And right now I think it's in you feeling a lot for Mother Earth, but how to do it, you've not been able to get it out to, or you've not been able to put it in a plan or any kind of project, that what how can I help. And I think you're watching videos also to see any way that you can make a little contribution towards healing Mother Earth, or not leaving a carbon footprint. So you've been conscious about it. Things that you've been doing, your the actions that you've been taking are very measured. If I do this, I will not be able to save water. So you've been thinking a lot about this. Sometimes the theme in the reading is, it goes one way, and sometimes there are different messages. So this is mostly becoming, how will I heal Mother Earth, or something similar to that. I don't know if it's true or whatever, if it's resonating with everybody, but that's the kind of feeling that I'm picking up, energy that I'm picking up from this particular deck. A personal issue that you had, that was troubling you, and you didn't know how to resolve, will be resolved pretty soon. And I think in July, I feel after 5th July or 6th July, the things that weren't getting resolved in a family, I don't know why I said a family, maybe that's a channel message, I always say like that, maybe, I don't know why, but yeah, that's an automatic. Those are words that I get in my head, that I'm supposed to speak and say, or give that message. So guys, something will reach resolution. Any kind of family trouble, any kind of family problem, or any issues in the family, or anything that is not getting resolved with a partner or loved one. I get a very family issue. I don't think this is a job situation. So because it says a personal situation, so it's about family, partners, also could be friends, any kind of misunderstanding between two people. I get misunderstanding word a lot, that there has been some misunderstanding and issue. There has been an issue between people, and somebody's been misunderstood or is misunderstanding someone. So something will reach resolution, and it will be fine, I think, guys. And I get it with a lot of water sign. If you are a water sign, you dealing with a water sign. So this is especially for you guys. Let me see what are the other messages. I'm going to use other decks also. That's what I keep looking at. When I feel the energy, so that's when I reach out and use the other decks. Look at the bigger picture. Some of you are not looking at the bigger picture. You're looking at the smaller picture. Or I want to say some of you are really looking at the bigger picture, but are missing out the smaller things that make the bigger picture. So I get the. I'm going to go with the second one. The feeling is more that you are looking at the bigger picture, which is a good thing, but you are missing smaller things that also contribute to the bigger picture. Uh, like we normally say that whole is more important than the sum of its parts, but I think the parts also are important. So I feel a lot of people are missing appreciation from you. I don't know if you're a boss or something. Yes, the profits, you made the profits, or the company is done well, or whatever. I don't want to say losses, but yeah, whatever's happened, you need to I feel especially you need to appreciate the people who are working with you. It's about, I get profits again and again, or the company is done well, or something has happened, and you've just seen that profits are being made, but you've not appreciated the people that were involved in the project or worked with you or under you, or something similar to that, guys. So please keep that appreciation coming, or to the people that you really need to say a thank you to. That would be a great gesture. Guys, it's so nice. When I'm doing my readings, I get angel numbers. It's 222. It's either 33355. So it really says that the archangels, my ascended masters, and my spirit guides are always there with me. So that's a lovely feeling. Expect powerful change. You guys are going to get some kind of, there's going to be some kind of big change in your life, and I feel that will be a sudden change, something that really disrupts your life in a good way, something powerful. And I think it's going to be soon enough. I get a soon enough energy. I would say 15 days. I'm going to say a month. I get 17 days from whenever you are listening to this reading. It's going to be a very powerful change. It's going to change you. It's going to change the things around you. It's going to change the way you function, or something. I also feel that you're going to change your house. I get one or two of you, whoever's listening to this, might be changing your house, and I feel that you're going to move to a bigger house. That's a channel message. I'm really getting it, that you're going to move to a bigger house, and there are going to be stairs in that house. It's going to be a fourth floor for a lot of you, above fourth floor, anything, sorry, higher than fourth floor. It's going to be like that, and you really are going to move to a new house, and you're going to be happier because this house is going to be better, because wherever you say staying, you feel that the rooms are not good enough, big enough, and probably your the house is not good enough anymore, doesn't serve you that much, and because you're growing as a family also. I think there's been an addition in the family, and you want a bigger house right now, and I really get that. I get anything higher than a fourth floor you'll be looking for. And yes, there is a change of residence with a lot of you. See, this card came again, guys. Something really powerful and good is going to happen in your life, which is fantastic. The powerful changes are good. Sometimes changes are so tiny or small that you're like, oh, it changed, or oh, it didn't change much in life. Yeah, I know this happened to me, but it didn't change much. It didn't give me any life lesson on my financial situation. Yeah, a little bit of money increase was there, but I was expecting something big. But I think guys expect something big, and changes are always good. They're always, unless they're powerful, we don't really feel them. Or I'm not going to say shaken up, because shaken up is a very negative thing, but yeah, unless it's a big change, unless it's a powerful change, it really doesn't make any difference in the life. Our life changes a little bit, but I think this is going to change a bit. This is going to bring out a lot of changes, guys, in your life, and that's going to be really great. We all wait for changes to happen. Sorry, I had to reach out for the cards. Let's see what my energy oracle says, the deck, and I really do connect with these cards. I do connect with all the cards, but sometimes when I'm doing a reading, I really pick up different cards, because it's almost like those cards are calling out to me, that these cards fit in this reading, and they belong to this reading. So I've done 3 sets of alphabets. I've done different videos, and I've used different cards every time, and that these cards were calling me out, that I have to use them. There is romance beginning, guys. Something romantic. I want to say romantic. That's why my tongue's twisted. Some kind of romance is going to happen in your life. I feel a new entry of a guy or a girl. If you're single and not seeing anybody, in 6 months, I get 6 months, or either you're a six number, or either you were born on in the sixth month, or either the other person is a six number. I also get three number. I'm going to take a three number also. Probably you are a three number or the other person is a three number. You're all ready to receive love. I think your heart is caged. You've put it safely. Probably you didn't have a really great relationship. The last relationship was not very good. But guys, I really have this feeling that this time it's going to be really good. You're going to have a balanced relationship. The person will come in. I get, I get an online dating site also quite heavily in this reading. It's going to be an online dating site where you will find the person in 6 months, and I feel in a week's time you are going to register on that on that site. It's a different site where you're not there, and that's where you're destined to meet the person. You are going to meet your soulmate here on an online dating site, and you'll be all ready. You already opened the door to love. It's just that you've caged your heart, or the other person is getting over a relationship. That's why probably 6 months it will take for you to be with the person, because right now you both are not meant to be together, or you are healing, or the other person is healing. But guys, this is a big online dating site, and let me see if I can pick up anything. Yeah, the person will shower with you with a lot of love. You will shower the person with a lot of love. There'll be appreciation. There'll be mutual appreciation. There'll be a lot of words spoken. The other person will also be very, the channel of communication will be open, will be very expressive. You will be expressive, and I think you guys will hit off pretty soon, and you will recognize your soulmate. It'll be like you'll be so comfortable with the person, and see, I told you a lot of water energy in this. I'm getting air also. The wind is blowing. There is air, and you know how the little hearts are flying. And I think it's going to, like I'm going to say, you're going to activate something. So I'm going to feel. I feel that you're going to activate something. So like I said, the leaves are going to be blown up. Like the circle they form, little tornado, beautiful tornado they form. When the wind picks them up, I think there's a lot of air sign meeting a fire sign. I get that a lot. Air sign meeting a fire sign, guys. Remember that. This is for you. That was a beautiful card, and I got a beautiful feeling from that. Right now, you are protecting your heart. I want to say, because I got this reversed, it's Archangel Michael, and I want to say you are protecting your heart, or the other person is protecting their heart, his or her heart. So probably 6 months is the right time to meet that you both have healed from your own situations, whatever situations. The one person was in a bad relationship, wasn't very happy, and wants to heal before getting into another relationship, which I think everybody should do that. The gratitude card came in this energy deck. This card doesn't belong here, but I'm going to read it because it specially almost flew out as if it wanted to be in this reading. It said you fully appreciate the invaluable lessons that life lovingly presents to you. So did learn lessons, the lessons of heart. Somebody broke your heart, or your heart was broken, or you broke someone's heart. But whatever you did learn a lesson from their guys, and that is why you're going to heal, and that is why you're going to say take 6 months. To commit to a new person, and that's a very good thing to do. It's better not to carry the baggage of your last relationship, guys. Let's see what are the other messages. A lot of crown chakra. You've got to heal your crown chakra, guys. A lot of thinking. Just be careful of headaches. Just be careful of getting up at nights thinking a lot, and headaches. Or I get you recently did a lot of thinking, and there were headaches. I get this area especially, so just be careful of your crown chakra, guys. Just keep all your chakras in balance. It's always important to keep all the 7 chakras in balance. And if one of the chakras is not in balance, so you need to heal it. In my other videos, I will try to do a reading on, or try to teach you on how to balance the chakras in life, which is good. Whatever chakras that you think are out of balance. Sometimes we know that our throat is not fine, and we know, our heart is not fine, or the stomach area, or whatever, the sacral area is not fine, or some we are not really grounded at some point of time, and you feel something is wrong with you. So we need to heal our chakras, guys. Let's see what are the other messages. I'm going to add 1 or 2 messages, and I'm going to take alphabets that are important for you, and colors, or any charms that I can get. Somebody is going to offer you love. Wands energy. Wands is fire, guys. It's that, like I said, it's not quick because it's come reversed. Normally, when we deal with swords, that's information or things happening pretty soon in your life. But Wands energies, fire energies, like I said, fire and air. So I'm dealing with a lot of fire and air here. So somebody is going to offer you love, new beginnings. I also feel if it's a new job and new ideas coming up, and it's anything to do with creation. So some of you, few of you might just hear that you are pregnant, or you also will have a feeling that yes, I want to start a family, I want to have a baby, and I give it 6 months plus. Whatever you're going to do, it 6 months plus. Like I said, with air signs, everything it's quick, happens within hours. But with wands, it's a little more time, and with pentacles also, it takes time for things to happen. And if it's cups also, cups is all about emotions. So the time frame is a little more. So I'm going to take it. I want to say 6 months. I don't know why. Though I do also get a 3 month energy if it's especially about love or something's going to start, or that you are going to conceive. So it's going to take 3 months plus, and I'm going to take 6 months. I get a lot of 6 months right here. Alphabet A is important for you guys. Alphabet A is important for you. Do rest. Don't worry yourself sick. Take bed rest. A lot of you, I get a back problem, I get a leg problem, left leg problem, I get a knee problem. Take time out, rest. You need to rest for some time. This is also your heart healing for 4 months. This is a sword energy, like guys, I said, it's a very air. It's a four of swords, and I get a very air and fire sign. And these cards always validate what energies I pick up. So yes, uh, please do rest, especially your back. Like I said, anything to do with the spine, just be careful. Don't bend too much, and don't have a back. So you might end up with a backache. So just be careful while bending. Don't make any sudden movements while bending, or while you're sitting. Also, take care of your posture. So, guys, those are the message for you. There are a lot of messages for this group. Normally, I haven't done. I think this is the longest I've done this reading almost. Let me see what alphabets are important for you. So these alphabets might enter your life, or anything important. You want to start a business, or whatever you want to do is for you. S is important for you. B is important for you. I is important for you as an alphabet. So is G, and I again. So if it's I again, that means I is an important alphabet for you. I came out 3 times, guys. So either you're going to meet a person whose name begins with I, or something to do with I. I just got a flash here. It was almost like a, I don't know. It's probably orbs around me or whatever it happens. That was strange, guys. I don't know if you noticed. So if it's an I, it's an I. It's actually an I. That was a validation. I get a lot of energies when I'm doing my videos, and I really felt there was an energy in the room. It's C is there, and C is also important, and U is also important, guys. So those alphabets are important for you. Let me see if I do get any other yes messages. So gratitude, I said. I'm going to take out one more. I don't know why some. I am getting a flash. Like that flash really told me that I need to take out another message for you guys, and it's very important, guys. I have to take out. I don't know what that flash was, but the message is for you guys. I had to take out one message. 13, love is coming. 13, 4. I'm getting 4 also in this. 4 months, guys. This woman is holding her heart out and is all ready to give her heart, like I said in the other one. So these are validation messages, guys, especially in a relationship. If you are going to begin a relationship, I get 4 months also. Like I said, normally Wands energy takes some more time to happen. So guys, I think that flash was for you to give you another message. And yes, you are ready to love, especially if you're a woman watching this. Sorry, I'm being a little noisy. I'm taking out colors for you, which are important. Unicorn, believe in the impossible. Believe in the impossible, guys. Heart, see, I got the heart. Guys, this is a new relationship coming soon to you, guys. It is going to be a beautiful relationship. It's a soulmate. You're going to meet your soulmate, guys. It's fantastic to have readings like this. I love it. And white is important for you. So is color gold. So all that glitters will be gold. Your love situation is awesome. It's going to be fantastic, guys. Have a beautiful time. Thank you so much for spending your time here. And please subscribe to my channel Tan Predicts, and do check out the other videos. I've uploaded a lot of videos. Do hit the like button and do comment. I always read the comments, and I always love the comments and like them whenever I can. So see you guys. It was a beautiful reading, and I'm feeling a lot of love. So that's why suddenly, whenever the kind of reading it is, I'm an empath also. So I pick up on feelings. There's a lot of love in this reading, and I'm sure you're going to find your soulmate, and you're going to be very happy. And it's going to be a very committed relationship, a very pure relationship. So see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.